Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a clipping mask. It's an app feature here in Canva, so let's jump right on in. Okay, so I'm going to do, it's like a poster I'm going to make, okay, and at the bottom it's going to have the country Barbados. So this is somewhere in Barbados. I searched for this element here, this photo in elements, and so what I want to do now, okay, um, I'm going to go into apps right here on the left hand side, and I've already got it selected, but if you don't have it selected, obviously you're going to type in clipping mask, and when you hit enter, it's this splat here of paint. That's the one we're going to use. So when you select it, it's going to ask you to start masking. So we're going to hit start. Now you have the option of you choosing masking via a shape, an image that you have that you want to use, or text. So in this case, I want to use text. Now, the only thing about this feature, this app, is that it does not give you, I don't think it gives you the ability, well, at least on the app, it does not give you the ability to change the font. But that's something I'm going to try in a second here just to make sure that, this is correct. So what I want now is I'm going to type in the word in capitals, Barbados. And I'm going to then come over back to the template, and I want a certain area where I want to grab and have it on the text, Barbados. So because the majority of the image is dark, I want to focus on a lighter part. And this is pretty much where the sun is setting. That's where I want it, because you see it's nice and bright, orange and yellow. All right, so I'm happy with that, okay? Now, what I'm going to do next is, if all is well, then you're going to come back over here to the left and you're going to hit add to design. So I'm going to hit add to design, and I'm just going to move the Barbados text down to the bottom here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring this image, I'm going to just blow it up as much as I possibly can to about here. Then I'm going to move this down. I want the tree right at the end here. And then I'm going to change the background at the bottom to black. And I'm going to make Barbados bigger. Okay. And I'm going to make sure it's centered. All right, good. And now let's see if we could change the font. So you can't change the font. So I'm not too sure the name of this font here in the clipping mask, but just note that if this is the type of font that you want, this is what you're going to get. But if you want something nice and just tricked out or goofy looking or bubbly, you're not going to get that with this app here, okay? So what you can do, though, as you can see, it took a part of the image here and placed it in the text, but you can also do a lot of things too as well. You can change the filtering of the text. So for instance, if you want it to be, let's say, a newspaper type color, it would change it. You still keep the text, the image you can see in the background, but it just changes the filtering of it. And then that's the same thing. I'm going to go back here. It's the same thing with regards to the adjustments here. You can make it brighter, as you see here. You can make it darker. You play around with the contrast, temperature. You can do an auto adjust. All sorts of things you can do here. So let me just go back to the original one. Oops, there we go. Okay. And then you can also change the color up significantly by just going into the color section here at the top, and then just, let's say, if you want it to be, I don't know, let's say this green here. So there we go. You could change it to green, keep it green yellow, or just totally well, it changes it to like a almost like a turquoise green color. So yeah, you could do that with it. But that's pretty much all you can do. You could change the transparency as well, and you could even animate it. So there's that's cool. That's new. I haven't played around with these ones as yet, but that one was cool. And even that one. So yeah, there's so even this one too. This one's nice. Oh, I like that. So there's so much you could do with the features that Canva has, but the app itself, there's only one font that you can use, but it still comes in handy, especially if you're wanting this type of text. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It was a quick and easy tutorial here. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section because I do read and answer them. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you again. Y'all stay blessed. Take care. Bye for now.